There's one violin exercise that completely changed my violin playing that most beginners don't actually know. And doing this exercise has transformed my playing from sounding like this to this. 99% of beginner violinists practice wrong, and that's likely the reason why you, no offense, sound garbage. But there's a step-by-step framework that the top violinists use to practice their music, and once you learn it, you will finally start impressing your private lessons teacher. And guess what? Today, I'm giving it all away for free. Here's how most beginner violinists practice their music. They start reading their music from the beginning of the piece all the way to the end. And after that, they do it again and again and again. But there's a massive problem with this. There are certain sections of the piece where you don't sound good and you need to work on, but you keep ignoring it to get to the end of the piece. And what's even worse about this is that because they don't get the results they want, most people quit, making all their time and effort a complete waste. I made this same mistake for years. However, once I learned this principle, it completely changed the way I practice. The principle is to turn your practicing session into a strength workout. Okay, I know that made no sense, so let me explain. Say you have your private lesson on Sunday, so you decide to practice from Monday through Friday. Every day, after warming up with your scales and arpeggios, you have to just go through the piece once. I want you to select certain portions of the piece that need some work. Now, if these are big sections, you can work on one per day. But if they're pretty small, you can do multiple every day. So this step is the metaphorical equivalent of choosing your workout split. A workout split is the order of muscles you work per day in the gym. In strength training, you have something called sets and reps. Reps are the amount of repetitions or how many times you do an exercise. And a set is the way you group them. We're gonna set the metronome at a pace which you can actually play accurately. So I want you to play the section you've selected at this metronome tempo for 5 times. Then you have to close your eyes and not think of anything for 10 seconds. This helps with your brain sending electrical signals to your hands. Now you have to increase the metronome tempo by 5 beats per minute and again play for those 5 repetitions. Then close your eyes for 10 seconds and repeat. You get the idea. I guarantee you that you'll get insane results if you implement this exercise-based protocol to your practice sessions. However, none of it will be useful if you don't convince your mind to go and practice. That's why you should watch this video here where I explain how to develop a mindset that will actually make you a better violinist. And as always, I'm watching from afar and I'm rooting for you.